We're in today with the Radeon HD 3870. This is a 2007 video card with 320 shaders. It's got 512 megabytes of GDDR4, 776 megahertz on the core clock, and 1125 megahertz on the memory clock. 256 bits bus width, DirectX 10.1, and we're gonna pair it up with this i7 4th gen with 4 cores and 8 threads. This is a very interesting video card because of that GDDR4 memory, and we're gonna have to put this video card in a couple of games and see how it holds. Let's go. Nearly 10 watts consumption. Let's start with Fallout, but I managed to find something very interesting based on the core speed and how the video card is working, you know. Do not forget, this is a 2007 video card, you understand? So based on that year, even though it's got 500 megabytes of VRAM, and looking at that frame rate, I think the maximum resolution today needs to be 720p or less, because I want more details. In this situation, I got 720p in the game with this Fallout. 720p and high details, not maximum, high details, so like 75% on the quality, you know. So in this situation, I will say this is an adequate performance from a video card like this, you understand? I got 156, nearly 160 watts consumption from this computer on the wall. You can actually see the video card. It's got like a 70, 80, 90% is going to maximum depending on how fast I'm moving and looking at the objects, you know, that in some cases it's going even 96% load on the video card. Based on the fan, you know, the fan, you heard the fan, you know, is very loud. I put around 70 something, nearly to 80% on the power because I didn't want to hear that thing in the microphone. Looking at the core speed and how it's utilizing this video card based on the memory, I got 324 megabytes of VRAM utilized in this case. You can actually see the core is doing a fantastic job on being utilized, but definitely a good and an interesting performance here. Not trying to butcher the video card, I'm just trying to find out the sweet balance in between this video card's performance and the game, you know. In this situation, 720p is good. I think high detail is based on the graph, you know, the MS. I think I should have stayed with medium details in order to get even better performance. But I think the more I go into a closed environment, you can see that I get better FPS overall. So I will say that there is not a lot of things I can do on top of this, you know. From now on, I think I can just lower a little the details and I will get the best performance. But the question is, does it run Crysis? On 1080p with low details, apparently this video card can actually do 60 FPS. And I'm shocked, seriously. Look at this. Fantastic. Maximum load on the video cards, on the core, 99%, 465 megabytes of VRAM. So the average FPS is good. The core is mega loaded, 51 degrees. I will take it because considering the speed of the fan, I will take that temperature as a good thing, seriously. And plus it's running Crysis, look at this. I mean, it's low details, but I can say nothing bad about it because it's a fantastic performance. Whenever I'm snapping, you can see I'm dropping to 43 FPS, but that's a good thing, you know. So in this case, I will take it as a win. The video card, even though it's from 2007, is still awesome today considering the performance it's got, you know. If you're interested today on actually utilizing a video card like this, apparently it's possible, you know. So in this case, with this 3870, look at this. Awesome performance, even in Crysis with, I mean, it's slow details, but if you want, I will put it on 1024 or 720p and put something like medium details and you will have a better experience. In this case, I just wanted to see how it's performing, you know, so yeah. But if we're jumping in Battlefield 3 with this video card, you can actually see on 720p with low details, it's capable of delivering some performance. Look at this. What's it? The plane is crashing. Oh, I love this idea of this video card running like this. Seriously, it's a very interesting performance from this 3870, considering I'm in Battlefield 3, you know, with 720p with low details. The core is maxed out. The temperature is okay. I mean, look at this. The details are not okay, you know, but it's starting the game. And for some reason, the video card is not overheating, you know. I mean, considering the fan sounds on on this video card. I will say 48 degrees, 47 degrees on this video card. It's kind of fantastic. So yeah, I definitely love this video card and how it's performing with the temperature. On the memory side, you can see that the VRAM is being utilized, over 450 megabytes of VRAM utilized here with this game. Even though the bugs are everywhere, you can actually see there's a lot of crap around, and it's not okay to actually play the game like this, but it's yeah, definitely an interesting performance. But if we're jumping in Hellgate London, you can actually see it with this game that I put on 720p with this video card, DirectX 10, and almost every single detail at maximum aside from anti-aliasing. I think the game managed to put it like this, but regardless, 720p, let's see how it's holding. You know, it's using the core at maximum, 500 megabytes of VRAM nearly, and it's lagging. I think I have to adjust this and lower maybe the resolution in order to distress the video card. Maybe, let's see, kill those monsters and maybe we get better settings. All right, so 720p with this should have been maybe medium details, not very high, maybe medium details. Get something out like smoke or something like that. No, so with those disabled, you can actually see that the video card managed to become flat on the frame time. Look at that, got nice spikes here. Well done. I like this video card and how it's operating. 720p, maximum load on the core, maximum VRAM utilization. This is the right settings. Oh my god, the game is actually utilizing the video card properly. So I got nice averages. The quality is good. Fantastic, it looks great, you know, look at the details. In this case, the CPU has no problem. It's a single core demanding CPU in this game. It doesn't require a quad core or stuff like that. It just needs a Pentium or single core high frequency CPU in order to play this game. But I think a dual core CPU can actually do the job, you know. But if we're jumping in S.T.A.L.K.E.R with this video card on 720p maximum details, actually let me show you what maximum details, 720p, 80 FPS on average. I like it. You know why it's like this? It's very important. 720p, like I said at the beginning, it's this video card's resolution, yes? But you have to find the balance in between low details and maximum details. And in this case, look at the VRAM. 450 megabytes of VRAM utilized, 99% load on the core. I mean, it's understandable, you know, because I don't have 500 FPS. I got only 79, 80 FPS on average, but it looks fantastic, you know. The details are there, everything is honky donkey with the game, you know. It's running really well, the frame time is good, there's not lots of spikes on the graph. So overall performance from the video card is great. The VRAM is used, the temperature is good, 50 degrees. I mean, you can adjust it in such a way so it doesn't be that loud, or put maybe 60 degrees. You have to play with that fan because that fan is very loud. In this case, you can actually see the system doesn't have any problems. Or utilization on the CPU, it's only 30 watts consumption. On the CPU side, with 4.7 gig of system RAM being utilized. I mean, the system is good, there's no problem there. I got 182 watts consumption from the wall. I will say an overall performance is great. Do I think this is the game for this video card? Yes, this is the right game for this video card, seriously. But if I jump in Dragon Age with 720p, nearly maximum details with this game. It's got DirectX 9 and DirectX 10 set up, so I choose DirectX 9 on the quality, but you need to understand that if I put DirectX 10, it will be a cluster of problems, seriously, here, you know. So DirectX 9, it's good for all video cards like this, because in this case, you can actually see with maximum details, I got nice details, it looks fantastic, you know, it's working nice, over 60 FPS, maximum load on the core of the video card. It's holding pretty well, 47, 48 degrees on the video card, so it's not fully stressed. And yeah, I like it. I like this type of performance from this. I mean, you can actually see that the game is okay with this video card, doesn't have any problems, doesn't have any bugs. Only 250 megabytes of VRAM is utilized here, but it's definitely capable of delivering some nice entertainment, you know. If you use VSync, it will be even better. So 70 FPS, it's acceptable. So I can say this is the right game for this video card. I played Battlefield with this video card, and now it's time to see how we get with this Black Ops. 720p apparently with this video card, it's kind of interesting, seriously, because it's actually showing me that the video card is capable of delivering some entertainment. Black Ops 2, it's actually playable. Doing a fantastic job, 99% load on the core. It's being utilized okay here with 49 degrees on the core of the video card, but I'm utilizing only 371 megabytes of VRAM, and very proud of the video card. So Black Ops 2 apparently is good for this Radeon HD 3870. Finding the right games for this video card, it's a challenge, but if you do find them, like Black Ops, apparently it's a fantastic experience overall. If I'm jumping in World of Tanks with this video card, you can clearly see that like in Battlefield, the texture are gone. But this is one time I really like it. You understand? So this, I will call it the World of Tanks cheat hardware. All jokes aside, you can clearly see that it's got a problem with the game. I kept this game for the last because you can actually see a couple of games that were working fantastic with this video card, but some of them, they are like this, seriously, and they're not funny. For me, it's funny, this one, but yeah. Do I like the performance? Definitely I like the performance here. The system itself doesn't have any problem. I got nearly 200 watts consumption from the wall in the game. You can actually see that the terrain is not present with us today, but it doesn't matter. I like this overall performance. Even though it's not okay, you know, on the texture side, you can actually see that theoretically the video card is capable of. I like the flatness in the frame time. You know, you can actually see the graphics kind of okay. I think if I use VSync, it will be even better. You know, it will stabilize the wattage. It will not be that consuming when it comes to this video card. Oh, look at that, Bro, I can't say nothing bad about this video card because the overall performance with this video card was fantastic. You know, I like this 3870. It's a fantastic video card, and it was very funky to see this performance with GDDR4. Like I said before, you know, there's a couple of games that had problems with the texture, but that doesn't influence my opinion about this video card because I'm 100% sure that you can find even more games. I only tested a couple of them today, and I'm 100% sure you can find even more games that actually runs really nice on this video card. Considering it's a 2007 video card, I will say this is a fantastic video card, and how it managed to survive until today. You understand? It's a statement on quality and how this video card managed to survive. Seriously, I only have compliments considering the age, you know, and how it's performing with those old games. I cannot put this video card in new games, but the moment you put them, like I try to see in World of Tanks. World of Tanks is not new, considering it was launched in 2009, 2010. I would say I think with different type of drivers, I can make this video card work even with that game. Because of the performance, you can clearly see that it's capable of delivering that amount of FPS, so you can have no problems, you know. Do remember that was 1080p on low details, you know. But overall performance with this video card, fantastic. I like it, so I have nothing to complain. It's not an expensive video card, it's not a very rare video card, it's just an HD Radeon 3870 that I think you can find at every market website, you know, and you can get it with normal price. This is not a very unique video card, but overall it's a nice video card, so yeah, can say nothing bad. If you have any suggestion in the future for this video card, leave a comment and I will see you very soon.